A major lawsuit filed against the Cincinnati Police Department today claims officers hid crucial DNA evidence in a murder trial and may have a systemic problem big enough to bring another round of federal oversight. Jeff Hirsch has the details.
Joshua Maxton is suing the city and 2 police officers on the murder case that kept him in jail for 7 months while on trial facing a life sentence. He was ultimately acquitted. Maxton's lawsuit claims the DNA evidence that freed him was in police possession for months but was not turned over to Maxton's lawyers as required by law. There was DNA evidence on this pop can police found at the murder scene in Avondale of 18-year-old Robin Pearl in June 2015. But it was of another suspect, identified by 2 witnesses at the shooting scene, not Joshua Maxton, the man charged by Cincinnati police with the murder.
Our argument is, at that moment in time, in October, the police knew they had no probable cause to say that Josh Maxton was the murderer.
Now, Joshua Maxton is suing the city of Cincinnati and Detective Bill Hilbert and his supervisor, then Sergeant Jeff Gramke, claiming the evidence they're required by law to share with Maxton's defense was not turned over.
And the police didn't even tell the prosecutor that they had this exculpatory evidence.
Now, in addition to going after damages for Joshua Maxton, attorney Jennifer Branch will be looking for evidence of a possible systemic breakdown in the police department that could reopen many decided cases and bring the federal government back into an oversight role at CPD.
We find that there's a systemic problem, we will certainly ask for that remedy.
There's no question police are required to provide all the evidence they gather to defendants' attorneys. The issue is whether the Maxton case is a mistake or a systemic flaw.
Based upon my experience, this type of activity on law enforcement is not widespread.
Joshua Maxton was found not guilty of murder in June 2016. No one else has been charged in the death of Robin Pearl. Back to you.
Thank you, Jeff. A spokesperson for the police department says they are aware of the lawsuit but can't comment on pending litigation.